How to create a poll on WhatsApp. So first is you have to go to your WhatsApp application here and go to a private group, let's say this one. And then on the bottom part, you will see a plus icon there. Just tap on that and you will see 6 different options such as camera, photo and video library, document location, contact, and lastly poll. Just tap on poll and then you will create your own poll there. Let's say you have to put on your question there. Let's say yes and no here. You can actually add another option, maybe here. And here you can limit to only one choice. Just tap on that and create and tap on send here. And basically you have created a poll on WhatsApp. And that is all for today. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp application to your Play Store or App Stores. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.